Bonjour! In this video, we're going to look at les verbes RE, which you will find in Leçon 3, les structures of Chapter 5, Chapitre 5. So we're going to look again at our subjects. These are familiar subjects to you by now. Our je, tu, il and elle, nous, vous, and il and elle, pluriel. So with our je, we have the ending S after we take off our RE. With tu, we have an S as well after we've taken the RE off our verb vendre. Il and elle, we don't add anything. Nous, we're going to take off the RE and add ONS. The vous, we're going to take off the RE and add EZ. And for il and elle pluriel, we are going to take off the RE and add ENT. So it's going to sound like this. Je vends, tu vends, il ou elle vend, nous vendons, vous vendez, ils, elles vendent. So you will notice il and elle, he and she, vont, but they, ils ou elles vendent. You're going to hear that D sound because we have an ENT which is silent, but that's going to allow the D to say its name. So a few examples of this. J'attends mes amis, right? I'm waiting for my friends. Now you will notice if you look on page 136 that they give you a short list of verbs that are like vendre and conjugated the same way or changed in the same way. Attendre means to wait or to wait for. So we don't actually use the word for in French. I'm not going to say j'attends pour mes amis. I'm just going to say j'attends mes amis. Then we have descendre. Elle descend l'escalier, right? To go down or to get off. And then entendre, perdre, rendre. Then we have this verb rendre visite à. And they tell you that that is to visit someone, a person. And further on page 137, under number 2, they tell you that the expression rendre visite à means to visit a person or to visit people. And then in French, we also have the verb visiter. And that is only used when I'm talking about visiting places or things. I'm going to visiter. I'm not going to rendre visite. A musée, and I'm going to visiter a musée. And then, of course, the last verb on our list there they give you on page 136 is répondre à. So again, we have a preposition. And it's very good is as you memorize the verbs and what they mean to also memorize if they have prepositions, because that will kind of give you a little extra help later on as you continue to study with prepositions and which prepositions go with which verbs. So we see that in our final example here. Ils répondent à ma question, right? So they're responding to. And in this sense, we want our preposition here because it's not included in the verb, but it's separate from the verb. Répondre à. And you're going to use that whenever you want to talk about someone responding to. I hope this helps. Please let me know if there are any questions. Au revoir.